Yes, traders. Quick market outlook on gold. So this is analysis for the coming week, and it is now for the first week of December, from the 2nd of December to the 6th of December. It is now a 5 days market move, and actually since it is the first week of December, so we expect to have NFP in this week. Now the high impact news on Friday. So actually we will be expecting random movements on this day, but the rest of the week we may have some high impact news that may bring about volatility, but nothing will be changing from the analysis provided here. So actually it is the technical analysis that will focus on trend line, and also I'll be doing the support and resistance, and at the same time I'll be pointing out the wave counts as we see here. So now in confluence of all of analysis, I'll be able to provide a probable direction, and it is a top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and for the purpose of this analysis I'll be pointing out the entries in the 1-hour time frame. So now I'm in a monthly time frame, and in monthly time frame quickly we see we have clear wave counts, and as it was in the previous analysis, we are looking for completion of the 4th wave to the downside, and actually after this we'll be looking for completion of the 5th wave to the upside. So currently market is under formation of the 4th wave to the downside. So in lower time frame now we'll see how far market has moved in formation of the 4th wave to the downside. So let me go to weekly time frame quickly, and now in the weekly time frame we can have just minor changes from the previous week analysis. I remember I pointed out this trend line here. Always I talked about a possible retest to this trend line. So beautiful enough, we see now this week market has maintained a bearish movement to the downside. So now this indicates that price has respected this minor trend line here. So what will be the next move? Actually in lower time frames we can highlight now the possible market move in the coming week. So the overall movement is just completion of the 4th wave to the downside. So we are still underway now in formation of the 4th wave to the downside, but we see we had a very stronger bullish momentum now in previous week, and the current week seems to move to around the 50%. So what does this mean now? We expect now there might be some slight movement to the upside in the coming week. So now lower time frames will provide us with a clear direction. So quickly let me see the daily time frame. What are the key things in daily time frame? So this is daily chart, and in daily time frame I can talk of the this week candles. So we can focus on these 5 candles. Looking on those 5 candlesticks, we see the first candle, this is the Monday candle, was very stronger bearish, and this aligned with the projection because our current week analysis was focused on selling. So the weekend analysis was focused on selling. So you'll see those projection on what to call on YouTube now, on video description. So actually the rest of the week was just a struggle to the upside. So it seems like market was struggling to the upside. So if we consider this struggle as correction and we look, so in most cases the overall projection will be if you consider this formation, the overall projection will be the push. We expect another push like this to the downside. We expect the push of the same, will be the same momentum and the same length to the downside. So lower time frames will provide us with what is the expected move, and also we see there's a rejection at this level up here. So that's very powerful in daily time frame. So let me see things in 4-hour time frame. So in 4-hour time frame we can now highlight those things in daily time frames in detail. So now we can see our price was trending. Now this was the clear side. Now this was the Monday movement, and now the rest of the week it was about the struggle to the upside. So with this formation, as I've said in daily time frame, so we expected this is the correction, and actually currently market has been rejecting at these levels. You see these are the clear technical levels. market is rejecting at these levels. So as I've said, we may have another move of this type now happening here. So we may have another type of trend happening here in the coming week. So that's the overall picture in 4-hour time frame. But now going more specific, you may see that we have ABC to the upside now, 3-wave move to the upside. So if this is true, so now we may expect now correction is done, so we're looking for a possible continuation to the downside. But in 1-hour time frame, I'll be pointing out now what is possibly going to be the trading opportunity now. And market has been maintaining this, so once it come out of this trend, we may see a serious trend like this one. So now we'll be considering this level down here. Once market is out of this, so we may look for the possible move to the downside up to these levels down here. So let me go to 1-hour time frame and see what are the possible market opportunities. Now in 1-hour time frame, so this is the 1 hour, so the structure is like this: clear corrective move to the upside. But if you look a recent market move here, so they seem to be a diagonal. It may be a WXY XZ if market will continue to the upside, but in most cases I expect this to be. So if this is a diagonal, what will be the opportunity here? Market may have a slight push on opening, then push to the upside to this level here. So the level of maybe 26.65 or 26.63 in most cases, or 62. So 63 or 60, price may push there. So the basic idea is we have to look on the formation of this upward movement. So if this will be in a corrective mode, if this movement to the upside will be in a corrective mode, so now we'll be catching some sells now from this level. We'll be catching some sells from the level of 26.63 in most cases. So now how are we going to ride with these sells? In most cases, let's go up to the levels of 26.30. We may ride with those sells up to the levels of 26.30. Then from there, possibly market may continue pushing to the downside, but it will be high risk to trade this, but you may continue pushing with the sells. So after that, you will be taking buys now at the levels of around 26.00. From 26.00, you may ride with the buys up to the levels of 27.00, even though we expect the price may go up to the levels of 27.50. So that will be the maximum for buying next week. So this is the mix of opportunities. So we'll be selling in a short term, and we may expect long-term buys to the levels of 27.00, but price may push up to 27.50. So those are the trading opportunities, but we'll be providing our signals on our platform now, www.asamforex.com. Now these are the signals for last week. The expired signals, these were the stop orders or the pending orders that were not triggered, so they are expired, but in most cases the instant orders are completed. So just open an account at www.asamforex.com so that you'll be able to be notified through your email with the possible trading opportunities. So thank you for your time and have a powerful weekend.